Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. आज हम बात करेंगे एक नई और revolutionary AI bot के बारे में, Grok, जो Elon Musk का नया creation है. We're gonna dive deep into what it is, what it can do, and why some people are saying it could be a game changer. We'll also unpack some of the concerns around Grok, especially when it comes to privacy and data security. It's a big one, so buckle up and let's get started. So what exactly Grok? Think of it like this. You know how we have Siri and Google Assistant on our phones? Grok is like that, but on another level. It's built on some seriously advanced tech. We're talking algorithms, machine learning, deep neural networks, all working together to give you an AI that's not just smart, but actually feels intuitive. The goal here is to blur the lines between how we interact with machines and how we interact with each other. And it's not just about casual conversation. Imagine Grok helping you manage your schedule, draft emails, even make decisions based on your preferences. It's like having a super-powered assistant right at your fingertips. Now let's talk about why everyone's so hyped about Grok. First up, efficiency. We're all busy, right? Grok is all about automating those tedious tasks, freeing up your time and boosting your productivity. Need to schedule a meeting across different time zones? Grok can handle it. Want to compile a research report from a bunch of different sources? Grok's got you. And the best part is, the more you use it, the more it learns about your preferences, making those suggestions even more personalized over time. But it doesn't stop there. One of the things that makes Grok really interesting is its potential to integrate with other platforms. Imagine Grok seamlessly connecting with your calendar, your email, your social media. It's like having one central hub for all your digital needs. Okay, so we've talked about the good stuff, but it wouldn't be a balanced conversation without addressing the elephant in the room, right? With any AI, especially one as powerful as Grok, there are some legitimate concerns. Privacy is a big one. To really work its magic, Grok needs data, a lot of it. And that raises questions about how that data is being used, who has access to it, and what measures are in place to keep it secure. Then there's the ethical side of things. Like any tool, AI can be used for good or bad. What's to stop someone from using Grok to spread misinformation or manipulate people? These are questions that developers, policymakers, and really all of us need to be thinking about as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. And this brings us to a really interesting point about Grok, and it has to do with Elon Musk's other ventures, specifically Telegram. Now, there's been a lot of speculation about what would happen if the data from a platform like Telegram, with its millions of users, was suddenly accessible to Grok. On the one hand, you could argue that it would make Grok even more powerful, able to personalize experiences and provide insights like never before. But on the other hand, it raises some serious red flags about data control and potential conflicts of interest. Remember, Elon Musk is already a major player in the tech world, with companies like Tesla and SpaceX under his belt. Adding control of a massive data pool like Telegram to the mix could give him an unprecedented level of influence. So, where does that leave us? Grok is undoubtedly a fascinating piece of technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. But like any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Ultimately, it's up to us, the users, to stay informed, ask tough questions, and demand transparency from the companies developing these technologies. What do you guys think? Are you excited about the future of AI with Grok, or are you proceeding with caution? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Until next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this deep dive into Grok informative and thought-provoking. It's definitely a topic that's going to be debated for years to come, and I'm curious to see how it all unfolds. As always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one.